Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make tamarind rice. Had this earlier today, was wonderful, was super delicious, and it's a new way of having rice, at least for myself and my family. Super impressed. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this tamarind rice. It's super rewarding, that's all I'm gonna say. So do go ahead and try this out. Comment below whether you're gonna try this out. And with that said, do like this video. Hit the like button which is beneath this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon, the notifications bell icon, so that you are informed of our daily releases. We have over 200 videos on our channel currently with various different playlists, from meat dishes, vegetarian, chicken dishes, sweet dishes. We have various different starters, dips, beverages, anything you can think of possibly. If there's something that you can't find, you can always comment below and let us know, and we will try our very best, our utmost to fulfill your request. So with that said, catch you in the next one.